Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with day 12 of the advent calendar. Actually, this is the halfway point. We're just shy of 2 weeks of Christmas, and we're on number 12 now. Where would I be if I was number 12? There. So let's see what bounty of goodies we've got behind number 12. I'm hoping it's something big. I'm hoping not another resistor. I suppose we've had some big things. We've had some LEDs and boards and whatever else. So it's all just aiming towards. So we've got yet another resistor. I don't know the ohms on this one. It is a 15 kiloohms resistor, brown, green, orange. So this is a hearing test game. So let me have a look what we need to put another switch on. We need to maybe move a resistor. We've got 6 resistors now, so I need to look at that. Same. These are still the same. They're going. Yeah, the power goes in there. Yeah, that's the same. So let's put a resistor in, put another switch in. Give me a second, I'll get that done, and we'll carry on with this. So reconfigured. Get you in a little bit just to see what I've done. Added the switch. Changed the resistor on here. Added this red wire, which is over here. So this apparently gives you, the next resistor actually gives you the next game, which is, like I say, is hearing test, which it will do a tone and give it you, well, it'll start off at 1.5 kilohertz and ends at 40. Now I'm supposed to stop it by pressing that button when I can't hear. So apparently children can hear up to 20 kilohertz. Actually, yeah, last tone's 40. Children could hear, older people don't do very well on this, apparently. So it's obviously all the loud noises and all the drug taking we've been taking in our youths. Yeah, wish I had one, to be honest, but never mind. Right, so we'll get started. Power cable in. Could really have done with a switch on this. And the wire's coming out. Hold on. Wait, no. So I'll reset. Starts on that one, so let's go to as far as I can hear. Hold on. Still going. Not quite loud. Getting quieter. Louder. There. Still clicking. But that's as high as I can go. So you can actually probably you might be able to count that. It could do with a little count to tell you exactly how high it goes. So, next person comes along. That appears to have stopped. There we go. That cable's coming out again. So this is the problem with doing the same project and the same thing all the time. It's going to be getting a little bit worse for wear after a little bit. And that wire there seems to have come out as well. So we'll get a new wire in there. But you know how this goes anyway, so that's fine. That works perfectly okay. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to replace that wire for the next. Or do I need to? No, that's fine. So that's as high as I can. Yeah, it stops there. Should reset, but it's not doing that. Oh, because that cable's come out again. Okay, that's better. That works better. So that's yeah. If I ever wanted a random tone generator, I've got one there as well, but also it's a hearing test. So, pretty good little test. It's obviously again showing us more use to the chip, that it can be used for more things than just one little thing. So, yeah, quite good that. So that's day 12, halfway there. And I hope you boys and girls have been good. You can get some nice toys. I'm hoping for a lot of good toys myself, to be honest, this Christmas. Otherwise, yeah. I've been a good boy this year, I'm sure I have, haven't I? Well, comment below if you think I haven't been a good boy, or like if you think I've been a really good boy, and send me lots of toys. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.